Hello, welcome back to Beer&Boxes. I am Kim. If you don't know already, I love beer and I love boxes, and sometimes I drink beer and sometimes I open subscription boxes or bags or hauls or try-ons. Today is a little bit different. I got these two in the mail today. They are Ipsy surprise bags from previous months, and I was able to snag them. Sometimes Ipsy has deals early on in the morning that you can take advantage of, and I was just lucky enough to see that they were selling like mystery bags from the past months, so I picked January and December. So we will get right into this because I'm excited. Usually these come in a pink bag, but maybe because it's a mystery bag, they're gold, which is kind of special. So right off the bat, I get this sparkly bag. I believe this is the December bag. It's really sparkly and it's got this little faux leathers back with this little tassel. So I'm guessing these items are gonna kind of be hodgepodge leftovers. Was there anything else in here? Nope. Okay. The first item I see is Murad Eye Renewing Cream, or Renewing Eye Cream. And it's just a little teeny sample. Oh yeah, look how small the sample bottle is. It's so tiny. But it's a good brand, so I will try this. It's like 2 uses. We'll see what happens with it. So this is the first item from my December grab bag. And then I did get a brush. I saw that right away. It's just a little eye brush, maybe primer, like a teeny tiny primer brush. I don't know. I didn't mean to say primer. This is just an eyebrow brush that I received. It's Farrah. And it's number 35E, and it's got this little gold detailing. It's kind of flexible. And you could probably do eyeshadow or maybe like a highlight with this brush. So that is the second item. Ooh, Pore Fessional Pore Primer. So this is cool because I have bigger pores on my nose that I try to hide, and sometimes it doesn't work so well, so we'll try a different primer. And it's really cute. This brand is from Benefit. They have really good packaging. The sample bottles are so cute. They're so little. Oh, look at that. This looks like an eyeshadow. So it's foiled again. The Balm Cosmetics foil eyeshadow. So it's gonna be shiny. And it's called Red Handed. Look at the packaging. It's like magnetic. It's really cute, superhero theme. And I'll swatch it. Super pretty. I like that color. I could paint myself with this. So I like this a lot. I'll use it. Oh, and the last product I received is the Way Leave-In Conditioner. I did get this in my FabFitFun box, a full version of it, the full size. So this I could use on my vacation coming up. I could just bring this tiny travel size one. It'll work. And it smells really good. I like it. I've used it a couple times actually. Okay, so here is our second bag. So if that was December, this is probably January. Oh, there's some loose items in here. I just got all that. There we go. It's just a cute canvas bag. There's some loose items. We've got another brush. Ooh, this is from Firma Beauty, and it's number 102. It's a very soft tab. This is a nice brush. Very soft blusher, bronzer. So then we have the Illamasqua Eye Pencil. And what color are you? It's in the color Honor. It's a full size. Is it too dark for me? I don't think so. Yeah, we'll use that. Oh, we have another Way leave-in conditioner. They must have a lot of these left over. So that's number 3 for my collection. Won't be needing any leave-in conditioners for a while. Okay, so I also have Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Micro Exfoliating Face Gommage. What's a gommage? Gommage? Is that, do you know how to say it? Let's see what it smells like. It doesn't smell great, but it looks fancy. It says that it's made in Italy, so we'll try. Ah, last item from January is this Crystal and Chrome. Here we go. This Crystal and Chrome Loose Powder, and I think it's for eyeshadow. Oh yeah, it's in the color Smoky Quartz. Oh, from Seraphine Botanicals. And it looks like that. Oh, this is gonna make a mess. This will be fun to try. I have to be careful. Like no babies or anything around me, and hopefully it'll be all right. So that was the last item from both of the mystery bags. This was super fun. These were $12 a piece. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, the people that are watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you'd like to get notifications, you can click the bell next to the subscribe button, and that will let you know every time I post a new video, which is kind of obnoxious. I am so bad at intros. I don't know how to just like say goodbye. Like, do I say sincerely, Kim? Have a good day. Brr, brr, brr. I'm not sure. I've got to practice. But I'm all done with this video, so I'm gonna stop talking.